Good morning. Am I a vlogger now? So it's 7:14 a.m. Monday, July 15th, maybe? Yeah, July 15th. And today we are building the gourd trellis. Yay. So I'm excited about that. Built a trellis before, but I've never built an arched one. So we're going to try to build this arched trellis for the gourds. And personally, I think it's going to turn out great, but I'm excited to do it. Excited to get my Barbara the Builder on. And yeah, so we'll see. All right, picking up Petra so we can do the gourds. I always forget which building they live in, but well, yeah, but I don't know. They'll come out of one of them. But yeah, y'all. All right, I'm here with Petra Floyd. Petra, you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, hey y'all. I'm being so fake. Hi everyone. My name is Petra Floyd, aka Petra F. Yeah. And I am really excited to be here at Penn Forest Flower Cutting Garden because we are finally making some trellises for me to grow my gourds.
Yes.
Gourds, y'all. Gourds.
And where are we putting the trellises?
We're gonna put them in this enclosure over here. See this enclosure here. The idea is that we'll have like a nice little like shady area. It's magical. Some of these gourd plants hanging, coming down. They grow on the vine. And we might even plant some on the fence so they grow up the fence as well too. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, so yeah, we've been dreaming and thinking about this for a while. It's something that I want to do. This is my second year growing gourds, and I hope it goes really well this year and that we get some more. Because I got a few last year, but I want like a lot this year.
A lot.
A lot. They like the sun, and we've been getting a lot of sun. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Did I do it?
Cut.
I was like, what are you doing? All right. Now for serious though, do not conk me on the head when we're going to the ER.
I'm gonna try to be gentle.
Hell yeah! Oh, sorry.
Who? The hose. Oh.
The hose coming out.
Yeah, I'm like. No, because I'm like, the hose. What hose is coming out here? Yeah, the hose can reach out here.
Okay.
Underneath the Gourds trellis. I'm 5'10", so you know we got some nice height. Ooh. What do you have to say?
We did it. I'm grateful. I'm trying something new, and I hope it works. Yeah.